this video. So in this video, we are going to have an introduction and hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to have an introduction and answer the question, what exactly is SQL? So SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, it is the basic computer programming language that is used for accessing, manipulating, handling the data that is present in a database. So as I've already discussed that whenever we have a large data that we cannot efficiently store in a normal software like in Excel, we normally store those data in databases. So any transaction data or any other data set which is quite large, we store that in databases. Nevertheless, we can also store very small data sets in databases, but that's beyond the point. So the language, the computer programming language that is utilized for handling the data, manipulating the data, accessing the data, and actually playing around with that data which is stored in that database is nothing but structured query language, whose short form is SQL. So it appeared in the tech scenario about 50 years ago and it was introduced by IBM, and now it has been standardized, but still it has many forms. So the main functions is that it can store the data, retrieve the data, and manipulate the data. So later on in the videos, we will see how we can create databases, how we can create the tables inside the databases, how we can insert the data, then how we can delete the data, modify the data, alter. So all of these are various operations, and not only a SQL has these kind of basic operations, there are many complex ones as well. We will be discussing about all of them in the future videos. For now, this is just the introductory video to SQL. So now let us look at some SQL trivia. So structured query language, it is also called SQL. It is a universal language which is universally adapted all over the globe. It has rapid query processing features because of various intelligence features which are inbuilt. It has security features. Compatibility is one of the good feature. It is highly scalable. It is highly available. It is an open source technology and also has a very good community support. So in case you are stuck anywhere, you will find a massive community of SQL developers who can help you with your doubts and queries. It is cost effective. Since it is open source, it is definitely much more cost effective than other proprietary softwares available in the technologies available in the market. It was officially standardized by ANSI in 1986 and later on by ISO in 1987. Now, not only the database administrators are the SQL users or data analysts, not so. Even we have software developers who use SQL. Obviously, data analysts, data engineers, even data scientists also make use of SQL. Then business firms, business analysts, people who are monitoring the performance of a business, like we have discussed, is that if we want to see whether there is an upcoming risk in the business, so that we can mitigate those risks. If we want to analyze the existing trend, so that we can plan the upcoming strategies for a particular firm, all of these are some of the usages of SQL language. Now, here are the examples of some of the firms. So SQL is used by almost each and every organization, starting from a very small organization to one of the most renowned large organizations as well. Here are some examples of the companies, well-known firms which use SQL. Example are Netflix, Instagram, Uber, Flipkart, Amazon, LinkedIn, Accenture, etc. So by now you must have understood why it is so crucial to have the knowledge and also have proper expertise in this particular language. If you want to be at the top of your data analyst game, if you want to have the proper grasp over the data that is present in your database, you have to learn and properly acquire the knowledge of structured query language. It is very beginner friendly, it is very easy to use. The syntax is written in very normal English language terms, and that's why it is very easily understood. So it's going to be pretty easy and also very exciting learning journey. So let's meet you in the next video.